Muted.
I'm Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the Option Pit Volatility Report. Provided this for education purpose only, know that you should be considered investment advice. Options have some risks. So I want to point out everybody that our store is 50% off today. So you got OptionPit.com/product catalog, or just click on the store tab when I'll log out here so you guys can see. So it's store tab right there. Everything in there, 50% off. So that's our boot camps, the intensive, Condor intensive, stuff on VIX, even our master classes. So the master income trading class and the master volatility class are both 50% off. So you can get them for less than $750, which is a steal. In directional trading, you name it. So all sorts of great stuff in here. And and that's a nice thing. If you're thinking about buying more than 3 or 4 of them, shoot me an email and we can talk about gold, because that's probably a better fit for you. All right, now let's talk about what you're here for, markets. And you can see the VIX is up today. You're saying, but Mark, the market's up. What's going on? Well, they priced out today. All the volatility from today essentially got priced out beginning of the week. That was why VIX took that nosedive at the beginning of the week. Let me show you a tick chart here over 5 days. And you can see VIX took an absolute nosedive. This was all Thanksgiving coming out on Monday and Tuesday. And then we're going to be flatlining through Monday. When we come back on Monday, there'll be more downside on VIX, but not really for the rest of the day. And that's really what's driving markets. And you can see markets are having a nice day. The S&P's up 5. I think it could meander itself higher all day. There's no liquidity, nobody here. So all that you're going to see is slow money entering the market, pushing things higher. You'll also see a little pressure on the volatility products, but probably nothing major. I think the low on the future in December today is about 1140, maybe 1135. I don't think we're going to breach those today, unless we get a huge rally, which I just simply do not foresee. I just don't foresee that happening. SPX 2602, I think it's going to continue to run higher. Options expiring today. They expire in about a couple hours. They're not expensive. I was looking at there's almost no premium in the 2600s right now. So I was looking at those and did put on like a little day trade today because it was really cheap to buy Delta for today in the SPX. So that's something I'm playing with today. Other things I'm watching, I think the retailers will be worth looking at. Walmart, Toys R Us is private, but Walmart is kind of an interesting one. You see Amazon's getting a bunch of euphoria. I think I might want to fade that. The idea that Amazon's getting all the traffic is laughable. My wife sent me a gift idea. She was like, I want this. And it was not from Amazon. It was from a different online seller. You're going to see strong sales, I think, online from all over the place. Best Buy, Nordstrom's might be an interesting one as well. They're not a traditional Black Friday bonanza group, and they've got a strong online presence. So that might be a fun thing to look at. So just kind of circling back to VIX, the question I get is VIX is at 11.5? Is VIX overpriced? I'd say it's pretty fair going into the weekend. When we come in, if VIX is kind of here on Monday when we come in, so Monday will be the 27th. We'll have 1 week, 2 weeks, like 3 full weeks, and then really 1, 2, 3, like just a few days of trading. I think you'll see it start to come in. So, yeah, I mean, these 20s, I think, coming in Monday are going to be a little expensive if they sit here, but not crazy. What I do think that there's some expense in VIX is in November 29. These expire on Wednesday, and I think that the 9.5, 10.5 put spread for 45 cents is probably too cheap. It's got good odds, and I like owning that as a potential trade, something along those lines. So that would be a trade I would be looking at. My trade idea of the week that I put out yesterday was, or last week, was Square. That was a nice little trade. It's up nicely from where I purchased it and continues to look nice. All right, folks. If you have questions, you can email me, marketoptionpick.com, or you can call me 888-TRADE-01. Have a good one.